whether it is dinner reservation confirmation or result declaration of students or promotions for a new item or services. Informing about this to your customers via text messages is very effective way of communication. In this example, I will walk you through how to send personalized text messages with the help of Google Sheet and your Android mobile phone. You can send text messages to any number in your country as well as global phone numbers if international texting is enabled on your phone. The message will directly go from your phone just like you manually send text messages, and thus you will pay only standard text rates to your cellular provider. So here is my Google Sheet and it has a few columns. It has employee name, increment, new salary and their respective phone numbers. When you are adding a phone numbers to sheet, remember that Google will treat them as normal numbers. So it's always a good idea to prefix that number with single apostrophe and automatically that will be treated as a text message. Text column will have actual text message. Concatenate formula is used to create these text messages. Check SMS column contains a check boxes. Tick the check boxes in a rows of person to whom you want to send SMS. You can select multiple check boxes to send multiple employees. It has a status field that will show whether they have been sent SMS or not. Once SMS is sent, the status field will automatically update it with date and time of the sent SMS. For this example, the text message will be something like this. This is text message template and we have three personalized fields in this text message: employee name, increment percentage and new salary. This will be different for every text message and rest will be the same. Now I will show you my Android phone. Here is my Android phone. I have created an app for this automation SMS app. Once you click this app, you can see that there are two buttons. One is fetch button and one is send button. Only two buttons are there. When you click the fetch message, it will fetch the data from the Google Sheet. You can see here it has fetched three messages from row number 1, 3 and 5. Three checkboxes I have done. Now it is fetching a live data. I will show you. I will click another checkbox and again I will fetch the data. I'm again clicking fetch messages. Now you can see that it has taken the row number 7 also into the send messages. Once I click the send SMS, it will send the messages from my phone and it will show the display, the status. I'm clicking the send SMS. You can see a sending text to this number, then sending text to this number, right? Sending text to this number. Now you can see that the status column is automatically updated by the time of the sent message. In my phone I will show you the sent message so you can confirm that the messages have been sent. You can see here Jitendra Bhatt, that is employee 1. You can see here number 171, line 1 it has taken from this row, so employee 7. Then 8433 employee 5. Employee 5 number is 8433, right? So this way SMSs, all four SMSs have gone. You can see that employee 3 is 3999183 number. So this way all messages have gone. If you like this kind of automation solution for your company, office, organization, colleges or school, please contact me. My contact details are shown on the screen. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button below this screen and click on bell button so you get notification for all my videos. Thank you.